This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Severe thunderstorms is heading for Houston, Texas on Thursday, October the 31st, 2013. It's going to bring up to 50 plus millimeters of rain, especially with thunderstorms in Houston, Texas on Thursday, October the 31st, 2013 because of the cold front. It's going through Houston, Texas, and it's very humid outside in Houston, Texas as well. That's going to cause a lot of severe thunderstorms on Thursday, October the 31st, 2013. It's going to be a chain lightning and a very loud thunder in Houston, Texas. It's going to be a lot of rain and sideways rain and very strong winds for people living in Houston, Texas as well. And people in Houston, Texas, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready. Have your raincoats ready. Have your rain suits ready. Because it's going to be a lot of rain. And the sewers will back up in the streets in Houston, Texas. That's going to cause some flash flooding as well. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. And don't wait till the last minute. When you go do your grocery shopping, do it right now. Because the severe thunderstorms, it's on its way for Houston, Texas on Thursday, October the 31st, 2013. Have your laptops charged. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. During severe thunderstorms, unplug all electronics such as TVs, computers, stereos, and gaming consoles so you don't get a power surge. Just in cases of flooding, remove all the wires from the floor. When you go outside, don't open up your umbrella or your umbrella can get broken in the wind. And since the winds are going to be very strong during severe thunderstorms in Houston, Texas, when a real bad thunderstorms happens, get inside your house so you can be safe for severe thunderstorms in Houston, Texas. And don't go near the trees and don't go near the open fields such as golf courses. So you don't get struck by lightning. And stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shore because there could be some big waves and very strong winds in Galveston, Texas as well. Power lines could be down, telephone poles could be snapped in half, and tree branches could also be snapped in half, and trees could be uprooted, and transformers could be snapped in half as well. Don't drive your car to the flood, or your car could get stalled during severe thunderstorms in Houston, Texas. When you go for a walk, avoid the puddles and wear your rain gear. Don't walk through the puddles. Wear your raincoats, wear your rubber boots, and wear your rain suits so you don't get wet. On Thursday in Houston, Texas during severe thunderstorms. Have your flashlights ready. Have your extra batteries ready. Have your crank up radio ready. Have your candles ready just in case the power goes out. And have your extra bottle of water ready. Have your package of ice cubes ready. your generators ready for severe thunderstorms in Houston, Texas on Thursday. Best of luck, yeah. People in Houston, Texas, be prepared for severe thunderstorms on Thursday, October 31st, 2013. Take care and stay safe. And don't get caught in the thunderstorms. Be safe.